This is the COONP Queen Pillow Top Mattress Topper in white, perfect if your mattress feels too firm or too hot. It's extra thick and overfilled to distribute weight evenly. So side, back, and stomach sleepers get plush pressure relief without a sinky feel. The top surface is 100% cotton, cool, breathable, and sweat-wicking. Great if memory foam runs hot. Back and skirt are durable polyester for easy care. The elastic deep pocket wraps 8 21-inch mattresses like a fitted sheet, so it stays put even if you toss and turn. It's machine washable, no pricey dry cleaning. Use a large capacity or commercial washer and it comes out fluffy. Since it arrives compressed. Unbox, shake and pat, then tumble dry on low for 20 minutes. It fluffs up fast. Queen size, 60 by 80 with 18-inch skirt. Color white. Special features: pillow top, cooling, washable, deep pocket. At the time of posting, it's around $58 with 40% off. Check the link below for today's price, and hit subscribe for more Amazon finds.